Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Ansul number 428743 hose and nozzle assembly. This video is to primarily serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Okay, an overall length. Let's take a look and see what an overall length would be. About 20 inch. Overall length, 20 inch. Length of the horn portion itself, or the nozzle, about 3 9/16. A diameter is going to be about an inch and, what is that, an inch and a quarter maybe? Right on. The outside diameter of the hose itself, caliper tells us it's 0.843 inch. 0.843 inch. We've got a O-ring down here. The outside diameter of our threaded portion, 0.488. 0.488 outside diameter. There is a link below this video to a document called Parts Catalog that will allow you to review it's basically the entire product catalog from the factory. And I'm going to amend that to show only the page. By the time you're seeing this, that will be a parts diagram that's there. The 428743 is part number 16 on that document, and you can see that unit. It applies obviously to the models listed above. The FE02VB, the FE05, the FE09, and the FE13. That document is handy because it will allow you to review the other possible replacement items for those series of extinguishers, for the Clean Guard fire extinguishers. O-rings, valve stems, nozzles, everything on there is very typical to sell. Those are maintenance products, items that you're going to change, eventually siphon tubes. Part number 2, that's there, very typical. Part number 4, valve stem, like I said earlier, all very common items. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ansul products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Ansul? This is their part number 428743. Hose and nozzle assembly for the FE09. I had said it incorrect earlier. This is only for the FE09 and FE13 models. The FE05 is listed down there below for the hose and nozzle assembly. Any questions on this or any other Ansul product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.